Hey guys, it's Steph, the Midwest Cowgirl, and today we're backing up a horse. Hey guys, today is the fourth lesson of the Riding Lessons for Beginners series, and today we'll be focusing on backing up your horse. Backing your horse up is an important skill to have when riding your horse. It's not overly complex, but it's important to learn and know how to properly back up your horse. Some examples could be if you're on the trail and you're riding along and there's a log or branches in your way and you have to, stop your horse, back them up, get them around it. Another example could be if you're in the arena with a bunch of other riders and you kind of get sandwiched between them. Your option is to go around, quick go through, which could be dangerous, or stop, back your horse up and go around. This video is going to break it down for you guys on how to properly back up your horse so in certain situations you'll be ready. First thing you're going to want to do when asking your horse to back up is to sit deep on your pockets. It's almost like you're tilting your pelvis backwards. You don't want to come forward because that's actually telling your horse to go forward. By sitting back on your pockets, you're putting the weight on the hind end and you're prepping your horse to back up. After that, I'm going to stay sitting deep and I'm going to shorten my reins. And I'm going to bring my hands back at a 90-degree angle so they stay put. To reiterate, you're going to start with your seat, sitting deep. I'm going to shorten my reins. I'm going to bring my elbows back to my rib cage at a 90-degree angle. And there's going to be a steady pressure. I'm not pulling. My hands stay right here and stay put. I would like to clarify the difference between pulling and holding, and it will make a world of difference to your horse. When I say I'm holding the pressure, my hands come to a certain point. If you're nervous, you're going to pull on your horse, plant your hands on the pommel so they don't go anywhere. Pulling will look like this. And you can see how Honey there's no relief when I pull on her. I actually feel bad doing that. I don't like to pull on my horse, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference between holding and pulling. You could probably see the expression change in Honey's face, as in like, Mom, what the heck are you doing? We don't do this. So I think it's important for you guys to see the difference. Thanks for watching, everybody. Honey was the star model today for me. And of course, you could probably hear Cinch in the background. She is the queen of the farm, so she wanted to be heard today. You guys are now experts at backing your horse, and you have now completed the fourth video for the Riding Lessons for Beginners series. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll be learning how to trot. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. See you next time.